Dear students, good morning to everyone. I am Dr. Kalaivani KN, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, GFGC, Anekal, Bangalore. Dear students, in previous class, we have seen the repeated distribution summary. And today we are going to see simultaneous equation method. Both these methods are coming under reciprocal method. Let me read the problem. The following particulars related to manufacturing company, which has 3 production departments, A, B, and C, and 2 service departments, X and Y. Here, the primary overhead distribution summaries total has given. Let me read that. Production department A, B, C, and service department X and Y. Production department A 6,300, B 7,400, C 2,800, and service department X 4,500, Y 2,000. The company decided to charge the service department cost on the basis of the following percentage. Here the percentage is given. Service department cost on the basis of the percentage to the production departments. X 40% to A, B 30% to B, 20% to C, 10% to Y. Then Y 30% to A, again 30% to B, then 20% to C, and again 20% to X. Okay, this is the apportionment, that is the allocation of the overheads, service department overheads to the departments. Find out the total overheads of production department by using simultaneous equation method. See, if they given the simultaneous equation method, we have to apportion these expenses second. First, we have to form the equation. According to this method, the total overhead cost of service department ascertaining with the help of simultaneous equation method. Okay. Even though the service department expenses, that is cost, is given in the problem, we need to find service department costs with the help of simultaneous equation method. After finding out the value of or cost of X and Y, we redistribute to production departments on the basis of given percentage. For more clarity, let me do the problem. See, we are doing the problem under simultaneous equation method. See, let X denotes total overhead of service department X. Then small y denotes the total overhead of service department Y. See, we have to frame the equation in the form. In this method, we are using algebraic equation. This is called algebraic equation. X is equal to A plus BY and Y is equal to A plus BX. Department X, department Y. We forming the equation. X is equal to, what is the overhead of department X? 4,500 and Y 2,000. Okay. See, X 4,500 plus 20% of Y. We are calculating 20% of Y. Here, X, how much portion is in Y? 20%. Okay. Then Y having this, X having 20% and Y having 10% in X. Listen me. X having 20% in Y and Y having 10% in X. Listen me. X having 20% of Y, then Y 2000 plus 10% of X. Next, X is equal to 4500 plus 0.2Y. How we got this? We have to convert this percentage into number. That is 20 divided by 100, you will get 0.2. Okay. That is 20% of Y is 0.2Y. Then Y is equal to overhead. Y is overhead 2000 plus 10% we converted 0.1. 10% how we converted into number? 10 divided by this percentage is 100. 10 divided by 100, we will get 0.1 of X. Okay, we formed the equation. X is equal to 4500 plus 0.2Y and Y is equal to 2000 plus 0.1X. To solve the equation, we rearrange these and multiply by 10 to eliminate decimals. Here we want to eliminate the decimals. So we have to move to next step. This is the simultaneous equation method. So we are using the algebraic equation here. So we are making the formula and substitute the values in the formula. To solve the equation, we rearrange these and multiply by 10 to eliminate this one. Multiply. If you multiply into 10, this decimal can be removed. So here 10 into, here we are multiplying first. First we are multiplying. 10x is equal to 4500 into 10, 45,000 plus 0.2y, we will get 2y. Then y into 10, 10y is equal to 2000 into 10, 20,000 plus 0.1x, we will get 1x. That is 1x, we call it as x. Okay. Then we have to rearrange this. You have to bring this here, then amount in the after the equal. Okay. After the equal to. Then we have to bring x and y this side and the amount will become that side. Then you have to write 10x. This x, this plus will be move on to this side. We'll get, if it is plus, it will be converted into y after moving from the equal to. So minus 2y is equal to 45,000. Next one we have to rearrange. Plus x this is. Then we move to minus x plus 10y is equal to 20,000. Okay. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. What is the first equation? 10x minus 2y is equal to 45,000. Then second equation, minus x plus 10y is equal to 20,000. Listen here. Again multiply 2 by 10 and adding. See, again multiplying 2. What is that 2? The equation 2. We are multiplying the equation 2. Okay. Then equation 2. Here. Equation 2 minus x plus 10y equal to 20,000. Okay. 10x minus 2y is equal to 45,000. Dear students, good morning to everyone. I am Dr. Kalaimani K.N., Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, GFGC, Anekal, Bangalore. In previous class, we have seen repeated distribution summary. Today, we are going to see simultaneous equation method. That both the methods are coming under reciprocal method. Let me move to the problem. Let me read the problem first. The following particulars relate to a manufacturing company which has 3 production departments A, B, and C and 2 service departments X and Y. Primary distribution summary overheads have given here. Production department A 6,300, B 7,400 and C 2,800. In service department X 4,500, Y 2,000. The company decided to charge the service department cost. This is the service department cost. Okay. X 4,500, Y 2,000. On the basis of the following percentage. These two on the basis of this percentage. That is X on the basis of A 40%, 30%, 20% to C and to Y 10%. Then Y on the basis of 30% to Y, 30% to B, C 20% and X 20%. They're asking to find out the production department's overheads by using simultaneous equation method. See, according to this method, the total overhead cost of service departments ascertained with the help of simultaneous equation method 1. The second one, even though the service department cost has given in the problem, we need to find service department cost with the help of simultaneous equation method. Then after finding out the cost of both service departments X and Y, we redistribute to production departments on the basis of given percentage. Are you clear about this? Okay. We move to solution. See, give the heading simultaneous. First, you give the secondary overhead distribution summary. Under that, you have write simultaneous equation method. It is a simultaneous equation method, so we have to form a formula under the algebraic method. Algebraic equation we are following here. X is equal to A plus by, Y is equal to A plus bx. Let X denotes total overheads of service department X. Then small y denotes total overheads of service department Y. In this method, we are using algebraic equation. That is algebraic equation. What is that? X is equal to A plus by, Y is equal to A plus bx. Then we have to arrange like this. X is equal to this X overheads. X, that is a service department overheads 4,500 given in the problem, plus 20% of Y. See here, 20% of Y. Y's ratio how much? 20% in X. Okay. Then Y is 10% in X. Okay. Right. Here X is equal to 4,500 plus 20% of Y. Then Y is equal to 2,000 plus 10% of X. Okay, I have already explained. Then X is equal to, we have to convert this percentage into number. It has come in decimals. Again, we have to convert it into number, numeric. Okay, we have to remove the decimals. Then only able to do the problem. Okay. Then this is the method we are following in simultaneous equation. X is equal to 4,500 plus 20% of Y. Then Y is equal to 2,000 plus 10% of X. Then you see X is equal to 4,500 plus we have to 20 divided by 100. Why we are put 100? This is percentage. So 20 divided by 100, we will get 0.2Y. 2, this is Y, we have to brought it here. Then Y is equal to 2,000 plus 10%. How we converted? 10% plus divided 10% divided by 10 divided by 100. This 10% will do as 10 divided by 100 or 100. Okay, then this is 0.1. The x should be brought here. To solve the equation, we rearrange these and multiply by 10 to eliminate decimals. So we have to eliminate the decimals. We have to multiply with the 10. That is 10x minus 2y is equal to 45,000. Then minus x plus 10y is equal to 20,000. Both equations should be multiplied with the 10. Okay. Then we will arrange it here. The x and y, we have to go left side. Then amount should become this side. Okay. These are the 10x minus 2y. That if you move to this 2y, if moves from here after the equal to, we'll put minus. This is also minus. Why? Because after moving to equal to this side, it will get minus. If it is minus, it will be, if you move to this side, it will be plus. Okay. So here plus, so after moving this side, it will be become minus. This x also become minus. Okay. So we arranged the formula then like this. X is equal to like this. We arranged the formula. We brought into equation form. 10x minus 2y is equal to 45,000 minus x plus 10y is equal to 20,000. This is first one and this is a second equation. See again multiplying 2 by 10 and adding. See 2. So equation 2 alone multiplying with the 10. Okay, and we have to add. First this one we have to second. This one is second equation. We have to multiply this second equation. This is minus 10x plus, like that we have to do. See here. The same we have to brought it here. 10x minus 2y. Nothing change here. Then for this equation 2, we multiplying with the 10. You see, minus 10x. Then it was x into x into 10, 10x plus 10 into 10y, 100y is equal to 2 lakhs. How we got this 2 lakhs? 20,000 into 10, we got 2 lakhs. Then they are telling add. Okay, minus would cancel. Here plus 100y minus 2y, we'll get that plus mark. That is the highest, should be put that symbol, which is higher, 100 or 2. 100 is higher, so we'll put here. Then we have to minus, less. Okay, deduct it. 100 minus 2, we will get 98y equal to 2 lakh plus 45,000. Both in the plus symbol. So 2 lakh 45,000. Here 98y is equal to 2 lakh 45,000. Here y you brought y. Then if it moves, this 98 moves to that side, it will divide. Okay, we have to divide it. So 2 lakh 45,000 same we brought into. After moving this side, y we have to calculate y value. So 98 have to divide. Then 2 lakh 45,000 divided by 98. The y value is 2,500 we got. Okay, then the rupees 2,500. After we'll convert. Okay. Next, we got y value. Then we have to find x value. To get the x value, substitute y is equal to 2,500. This 2,500 is substitute y. In equation 1, what are the, which is the equation 1? Equation 1, this is equation 1. 10 into minus 2y is equal to 45,000. Okay. This is equation 2. See, 10x minus 2y is equal to 45,000. Then 10x minus 2, this is 2, okay, minus 2, okay, into 2,500. Y value 2,500. 10 in 10x minus 2 into 2,500. What is 2,500? Y's value. Okay, 2,500. This is y's value, 2,500. Okay, equal to 45,000. Then we have to find the x value. How we are finding the x value? 10x minus 5,000 is equal to 45,000. How we brought the 5,000? Minus plus minus. in the, we have to convert it. The multiply, we have to, if we are minus into plus, minus, okay. Plus into plus, okay. Then minus 2 into 2500 minus plus minus symbol will get 5000 is equal to 45,000. Then we have to move this constant to that side. After equal to this minus move to after this side, it will become plus. Then here 10x equal to, we have to find the x, we have to do the steps. It's equal to 45,000. This minus if move to this side, plus 5,000. 45,000 plus 5,000 will get 50,000. Okay. Then we'll keep x here. Then move this 10 to that side. If we move to that side, it will not be a multiplication or plus. It will go divided. Okay. Divide part. Then x is equal to 50,000 divided by 10. Okay. Division part. Then 50,000 divided by 10, we will get 5,000. So we arrived x value. X value is equal to 5,000 and y value is equal to 2,500. Okay. This x and y, see this x and y. This x and y changed, not this amount, isn't it? 4,500 we are using and we are used 2,000. What we got? X value now 5,000 and y value 2,500. Okay. See what is the next step. Secondary overhead distribution summary we have to prepare. Okay, under simultaneous equation method. Okay, we have to write here simultaneous equation method. Okay, then see, we have to provide the columns like that. Next step, this is first step got over. Okay, this is the first step. We have to make the formula and finding out the value of x and y. What is the next step here? We have to make the column like this. Items total, we have to provide total column. The 3 production departments, not a service departments, only production departments. We are allocating these expenses 5,000 and 2,500 in that basis, percentage basis, we are allocating to only production department, not to service department. So you should not provide any column to service department. It is under simultaneous equation method. Okay. Then total as per primary distribution summary. Total will arrive total. Okay. First you put 6,300 A, B 7,400 and C 2,800. You total these three. 6,300 plus 7,400 plus 2,800 will get 16,500. Then you see ma service department X. You take service department X. You allocate these expenses to this. What this expense means? Not 5,000. This 4,500. We go to problem. See. X department to production department. How much? 40 plus 30 plus 20. How much percentage? 40 plus 30 plus 20. 40 plus 30, 70. 70 plus 20, 20. This much only, this percentage only to the production department. That is 90% to the production department we have to allocate. See here, 90% of 5,000, that is the X value. 90% of 5,000, we will get 4,500. We allocate on the ratio. Okay, what is the ratio? The ratio percentage on the percentage. The 40%, 30% and 20%. Okay, we have to allocate. See the calculation. Service department 4,500. How you got 4,500? This 90% of 5,000. X value 5,000. The remaining A, B, C percentage 40, 30, 20, 90 percentage. 90% of 5,000, we will get 4,500. This 4,500 allowed to allocate to the production departments. 4 divided by 9 into 4,500. How got 9? 4 plus 3 plus 2. Okay. Otherwise, you put 40 divided by 100 into 4,500. 30 divided by 100 into 4,500. And 20 divided by 100 into 4,500. You will arrive this answer. Okay. No issue. Okay. Then we have to post this one. 2,000, 1,500 and 1,000. Okay. See here. Service department X, 2,000, 1,500 and 1,000 we have allocated. Then service department Y. See, go to the problem. Service department Y. Service department Y, 30% plus 30% plus 20%. 30, 30, 60 plus 20, 80%. This 80%, we should not consider X and Y. Okay, only 80%. Okay. We have to 80% of Y value, how much? 2,500. 80% of 2,500, 2,000. Let me see the calculation here. Service department Y, 80% of 2,500, we will get 2,000. Find out the ratio or put in percentage. No issue. See your allocation of service department expenses Y to the production department. 3 divided by 8 into 2,000, 750. 3 divided by 8 into 2,000, same 750. Then C, 2 divided by 8 into 2,500. There are 3 service departments. There are 3 production department. Okay, here we should not consider service department. We are allocating service department expenses to production department on the basis of simultaneous equation method. Given these bases are given in the problem, it is in the percentage. Okay, so we have to total is as usual. The total column 16,500 plus 4,500 plus 2,000, we will get 23,000. Then production department, 3 production department, no service department should be provide column here in the simultaneous equation method. A 6,300 plus 2,000 plus 750, we will get 9,050. And B 7,400 plus 1,500 plus 750, you will get 9,650. Then C 2,800, 1,000 plus 500, we will get 4,600. This is the what we called the cost. After finding the value, we redistributed. After finding out the value of department X and department Y, that is 5,000, 2,500, we redistribute to the production department on the basis of given percentage we calculated. Okay, this is called a simultaneous equation method. This is the simultaneous equation method. We are following the algebraic formulas. See here, I referred M.N. Arora, Cost Accounting, Himalaya Publishing House, New Delhi, and referring one more book, R.G. Saha and others, Cost Accounting, Vision Book House, New Delhi. Dear students, practice the problems. So many problems given in M.N. Arora and R.G. Saha. You can practice these problems and you can more problems can see in the both the books. You can practice well. Okay. Practice makes the man perfect. You will get more mark in your examination. Practice is very, very essential. Thank you, students. Thank you for your patient listening. Remaining, let me see in the next class. Thank you.